Today we're going to be using balloons. With the balloons, we can work on a lot of different manipulative skills. We can do catching, throwing, striking, kicking. You can get a lot of use out of your balloons. So again, today make sure you have your balloon and a backup balloon in case it pops. All right? If you run out of balloons, it's going to be hard to finish this activity because there's not a lot that we can substitute for a balloon. Okay. The first activity that we're going to do is a simple two-hand toss and catch. Toss it up and catch it. Okay, I've got a little breeze going through, so my balloon moves a little. I have to move to catch the balloon. Okay. You can throw it up higher. You just want to be able to catch it every time. Okay. Next, we're going to work on our striking. Okay, it's going to be an underhand hit, like a volley. You're going to hold it with one hand. You may have to hold it if you have a smaller hand up the top. Swing underneath and hit it up into the air. See how many times you can hit it. If you have to catch it and reset, you can just re-volley. We're hitting it with the palms of our hands right now. If you want to switch it to the back of your hand, go ahead and give that a try. And we got to track the balloon with our eyes. It's going to be moving. You've got to watch it so you can hit it back up. One challenge that we can do to the volleying and striking is to add a soccer skill of juggling in there. So instead of hitting it with your hand, every once in a while you can hit it with a different part of your body. So you go hand, hand. So you try knee. You can try head. You can hit it with your chest. You can hit it with different parts of your body. Just keep the balloon up off the ground. Next part of striking, we're going to be using implements. That's just a fancy way of saying you're going to hit the balloon with something. So, some of the equipment that you could use, we're going to be using a frisbee, or you could use a plastic plate and a water bottle. It can be full or empty. So I'm going to give you a chance to go get those. That's what we're going to be striking with next. Okay, we're going to start with our water bottle. You're going to hold it in one hand and try to hit the balloon with the water bottle. You hold it with two hands or one. Next, we're going to hit the balloon for 45 seconds with the water bottle. You can use the flat side, or if you want to get fancy with it, you can hit it with the bottom. So 45 seconds, starting in 2, 1. You're going to move underneath it. Keep it nice and controlled. I am going to switch to the bottom. Back to the side. Other implements that you use in other sports could be a baseball bat, a hockey stick, a golf club, a tennis racket. So there are lots of implements. Now we're going to do the same thing with your plate or your frisbee. You're going to hold it up. We're going to go 30 seconds. Yeah, this kind of mimics a short-handled tennis racket. You just and the wind sucked my balloon out. All right, you got 5 more seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. All right. in the last video, the wind sucked my balloon right out of my barn. When you're doing your balloon activities, this is an indoor activity. If there's no wind, you can try it outside with a long-handled implement. Some things that I will use, you can hit it with a pool noodle. Or a hockey stick, or a baseball bat, a lightweight plastic one, or a golf club. Now, we don't use the long-handled implements indoors. We don't want to break anything. So right now you're going to stick to just using your Frisbee, your hand, and your water bottle.